Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can check your finished good cost on TranZact. So whenever we run any production process, after that a finished good comes, which is combining of all the raw material cost. So how you can check it? First of all, you need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Now, in production module, these are the list of production process which we have created. Do remember that proper finished good costing comes after completing the production process. So this is one of my production process which is completed. I will open this particular production process now. Once I will open this, please check it is in completed segment. On your right hand side, you will see an option of view process cost. Just select it. After selecting the view process cost, going below, please check here is your total price of finished good. This price is a combination of all your raw material as per FIFO. So each and every raw material does have a cost in the inventory, and accordingly, as per FIFO logic, those costs get calculated here, and after getting calculated, the finished good cost comes. So this is how you can go ahead and check the entire finished good costing. It also includes your raw material cost, your other charges, and if you have defined the scrap allocation excluded, so it will exclude the scrap allocation and scrap charges as well. It mainly works after completing the process. Suppose if you will go ahead and open it while in WIP or in pending or planned stage, it will not give you the accurate costing. I hope this video will be helpful to you in checking finished good costing. Have a good day ahead.